question is, how would you describe your attitude toward learning mathematics?
How do you describe towards attitude mo? Siguro yung hindi naman masyadong komplikado and actually it depends kung ano yung magiging pakikitungo ng mga instructors namin because syempre kung ano yung magiging aura or ano yung magiging energy ng instructors is mag-match siya or parang may interpret namin as a student kung ano yung approach niya sa amin. For example, negative ba siya or positive ganun. So, I think it depends on the approach of the instructors.
So, can you explain why you feel that way?
Siguro there is this specific scenario when I was in freshman. Very na-overwhelmed bagod. Pero kasi as time passes by, ayun siya, parang na-overcome ko yung pagiging overwhelmed kasi maganda yung pakikitungo ng mga instructors namin and naging positive din naman sila. And there is this specifically yung isang instructor namin na kagad-agad siyang magpa-assess sa amin or magpasagot ng mathematics ganun. So without introducing basic concept. So ganun siya.
So, can you share a specific experience that influenced how you feel about mathematics?
Specific experience. Yun ba yung wait lang. Specific siguro yun siya. Let's go back to my example wherein yung kaagad-agad siya nagpasagot tapos without introducing the basic concept ganon. So, syempre na-overwhelm ako kasi
So, negative siya?
Negative siya. Pero hindi naman masyadong malala. Opo. Yun yung time na kasi syempre ang strand ko kasi is ABM. Tapos punta ko dito sa mathematics. Pero which is naman. But ayun siya, na-overwhelm ako kasi hindi ako familiar doon sa pinapasagot ng instructor namin sa aming mga students niya. So parang naging negative siya sa akin.
So, next question is, what do you enjoy most about learning mathematics and what do you find challenging?
Siguro yung part na nagiging creative yung mga instructors namin. I remember this one time nung nagturo yung instructor namin na pinaanugod kami, parang group parang ganun. Group activities. Then na-enjoy ko siya kasi doon ko na-realize na dapat habang maaga pa is kailangan mo makipag-collaborate sa mga sa mga kaklase mo kasi therefore you will share your ideas to each other. Yun, na-enjoy ko po siya.
And yung about the challenge?
Yung challenge naman is ayun kasi first time, syempre mayayain naman talaga kapag first. So ayun, yun yung naging challenge ko kasi hindi ako masyadong makipag-socialize before. So ayun, pero as time passes by, na-overcome ko naman siya through that creative na ginawa nung instructor namin, which is yung group discussion or group activity. Kaya yun siya na
So, how often do you feel motivated or discouraged in mathematics class?
How often do you feel motivated or discouraged in mathematics class? Hala. Siguro hindi naman madalas madalas pero kasi is merong specific na bagay na makakapagbigay siya ng motivation sa akin, which is yun yung kinakailangan ko ng piece of advice para para ma-overcome ko yung ganitong pagsubok. Kasi syempre naman is generally kailangan din naman natin yun siya. Kasi 'di ba, not all the time is kaya mo mag-isa. So kailangan mo siya ng advice.
So next is dito, what factors do you consider had influenced your interest in learning mathematics?
What factors do you consider have influenced your interest in learning mathematics? Siguro yung for me is is it in a sense of negative or positive ito siya? Or
You can,
both?
Yeah, you can combine.
Okay. For me is the kapag sa positive naman is yung pagiging pag warm welcome ng mga instructors namin. Kaya ayun is naging patok siya sa akin para tutukan yung mathematics. Kasi to be honest, hindi talaga ako fan ng mathematics, but
Nag-major.
yes, nag-major. Pero nagustuhan ko naman siya through our instructors in major namin sa mathematics, yung mga yung mga activities nila. And sa negative naman, siguro yun talaga, yung hindi na-introduce yung basic concept, kaya ayun, na-overwhelm ako doon.
It's kumbaga, ang reason is yung instructor.
Yes, ang reason is yung instructor talaga.
It's dependent on instructor.
It's depend on the instructors.
So next is, how did teachers, peers, or the learning environment influence your interest in mathematics?
Well, personally, kapag makaramdam good ako ng vibe, kasi I can say na madali ako makaramdam ng vibe, pero hindi ko siya gina-point out talaga. So, kapag negative yung vibe niya, or kapag negative yung energy niya, then hindi ako makipag-close or makipagsalamuha, kasi eventually parang maapektuhan ako, then syempre mahirapan ako. Then kapag positive naman, then ayun, I will try it.
Teacher and like sa kaklase.
Yes, in general na kasi pag sa tao talaga.
So, next is, how did this factor affect the way you approach learning mathematics?
Maybe it's wait lang, how did this factor
Yung
affect?
sabi mo kanina na, yung about sa instructors na it's depend sa kanila, the way na magturo sila. So,
Yes.
Ano yung way na approach mo in learning mathematics? Like, paano mo siya kumbaga, ano yung way mo para ma-solusyonan yung ganong situation?
Through self-study and also socializing sa mga kaklase ko. Kasi wait lang, how did this factor affect the way you approach? Paano siya
And also, nakatulong din siya in terms sa like mga technology.
Yes, kasi may mga abstract na problems, or mahirap talaga intindihin, kaya kailangan talaga ng support with the use of technologies, ganun. So, ayun, naging big impact sa akin, for me personally.
Okay, so next is, given those factors you have shared, how did this shape your attitude in mathematics?
Siguro yung nagbigay siya ng malaking impact sa akin para magkaroon ng character development. And not just that, but also yung nagiging result niya para halubilo ako sa mga iba't ibang tao, not just inside the classroom but also outside. And din po, How did each... Ayun, ano siya, nahubog siya sa akin para ma-improve yung yung character development ko.
So, can you give another experiences na kung saan na-influence yung gano'n na attitude?
Siguro yung at times kasi is syempre may mga hindi natin maiiwasan na negative yung magiging negative yung magiging pagsamaan ninyo sa mga kaklase mo or sa instructors. And ayun, nagre-result siya na parang napag-isipan ko na asan ako nagkamali, or kasi hindi siya na-approach sa akin kaagad kung bakit ganun yung pakikitungo ng isang tao, especially kapag kapag yung instructor is hindi niya parang gina-address ng malinaw sa amin kung bakit ganun yung attitude niya sa amin, bakit siya galit, bakit siya upset, ganun.
So, next is, can you recall a moment that significantly changed how you feel about learning mathematics?
Okay. So, ito na. Can you recall a moment that significantly changed how you feel about learning math? So, ito na yung nung first year, sa algebra yun. Ay, pwede magbanggit?
Yeah.
Pwede magbanggit?
Yeah.
Algebra, sa algebra. Pwede ba? Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Okay. Yeah, kasi doon ako masyado na shock. Parang na culture shock ako kasi actually okay lang na maging strict, pero kasi kapag when in terms of verbal hindi niya para feel ko hindi niya na control yung pagbitaw ng ganong salita. Kaya siya kasi feel ko is meron siyang expectation sa amin. Syempre kapag when we hear major in mathematics, mataas ang expectation. So maybe another thing is why did that specific instructor say that such terms is hindi kami masyado nakaprepare. Pero kasi yun yung parang talaga sa akin, nagtanim talaga sa utak ko kung bakit yun yung nagiging nagiging feel ko about mathematics. But eventually is itong second year na kami, nagbago siya, and I can say na maganda pala siya magturo. Maganda naman siya magturo.
Kumbaga na-misinterpret mo.
Na-misjudge ko lang.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, culture shock. Hindi ko expect na, ganito pala sa college.
Yeah.
So, syempre, as time passes by, nagbago yung nabago ang approach niya, and that really gives me the opportunity na kailangan ko tutukan ng mathematics, kailangan kong pag-aralan ng mathematics because maganda siyang pag-aralan.
And also, yan yung pinili.
Yes, yan yung ito yung pinili.
That's your responsibility talaga.
Yes, it's your responsibility talaga.
So next is, how do you think your interest in motivation connect your overall attitude?
How do you think your interest in motivation connect your overall attitude? Well, siguro
Like, who you are ngayon, ano yung parang naging way mo, or yung pagiging interest or pagiging motivated mo sa mathematics ngayon na kung sino ka?
Okay. How do you think your interest? Well, malaki naman talaga yung impact niya sa akin. Kasi first time pa lang is hindi ko talaga ginusto ang math. Kaya minsan natatanong ko yung sarili ko, bakit ako nandito? 'Di ba? Andun tayo sa stage na yun, natatanong natin yung sarili natin, why tayo nandito sa mathematics, hindi naman talaga natin ito siya bet. Pero kasi is ano siya, na parang nagbigay good siya ng susi sa akin para tutukan talaga ang mathematics. So through self study noon, or collaboration with my classmates, is ayun siya, nagkaroon ng malaking impact sa akin. So that's why parang nagbigay siya ng big improvement sa akin, kasi hindi ako ganito personally, hindi talaga ako ganito magsalita before. Kasi hindi talaga ako marunong makipagsalamuha, kaya malaking tulong talaga kapag yung instructor namin is maganda yung approach nila, ganun.
Okay, next is, looking back, how would you describe your current attitude toward mathematics and why?
Looking back, how would you describe your current attitude? Siguro, I cannot just justify. Hindi ko siya ma-justify kagad-agad. Pero kasi, siguro like stable. Ganun. How would you describe stable? Kasi, yun nga, is, basta maraming nangyari this school year for me, kasi marami siyang learning na nabigay sa akin personally, kaya naging stable naman, kasi hindi ko naman masabing na hindi ko naman masabi siya na satisfied, kasi kailangan ko pa siyang kailangan ko pa siya pagtutukan talaga, kasi syempre personally complex na talagang subjects, so far so good. Stable naman siya.
So, okay, how has your attitude toward mathematics affects your confidence or performance?
I think how has your attitude toward mathematics affected your confidence and performance? Okay naman. Okay naman. Yes, personally okay naman, kasi stable pa din. Stable pa din kasi syempre hindi naman na actually some may say na sige, pag kayanin natin to, ganun. For me kasi sa akin kasi is actually I would like to share this one, kasi meron isang instructor na sabi niya is learning is limitless. So nagbigay siya ng impact sa akin in a good way. Kaya nag-improve yung confidence ko, kasi hindi naman dapat na which is tama naman talaga na ang pagtututo is wala siyang hangganan. Kaya ayun, as much as possible is kailangan mo talagang mag-aral. So ayun, nag-boost siya ng confidence ko, and as much as possible hindi naman ako nagiging sinusubok ko namang mag-speak in front, kasi way back before is I have stage fright talaga. Opo, I have stage fright. So ang tulong ng major namin sa mathematics is kahit complex yung problema is kaya mong solusyonan, and you can build that confidence.
And you have to
Yes, you have to do it.
yeah.
Yes, kasi nag-math major ka. Pero maganda naman. Yeah, maganda naman.